Chapter 19 Cooking Techniques. There are different types of cooking techniques that we use to cook different types of food. Let's identify them. In this process, food is immersed in a liquid and heated till it is cooked. Can you identify it? It is boiling. In this method, food is cooked by dipping in oil completely. Can you identify it? It is deep frying. In this process, food is cooked in steam of hot water. Can you identify it? It is steaming. In this process, food is cooked in an enclosed heated space using dry heat. Can you identify it? It is baking. In this process, food is cooked on direct heat. Can you identify it? It is grilling. In this process, food is cooked using dry heat. Can you identify it? It is roasting.